What's up, friends? Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today's video is gonna be not tons, maybe like 6 or 7 around there, weeknight dinners that I have made for my family. I am a mom of 5 and I am eating for 2, and we're all huge eaters and we're a busy family with football and dance and so much going on. These are some weeknight dinners that are some of our favorite. Some are really homemade and some are halfway homemade and some are just like, you know what? We're gonna make a nacho bar tonight. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you get some inspiration. If you wanna see more meal ideas, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss a video. Summertime's coming up and we're gonna be making lots of lunches, kids school type lunches for summer camp. So that's gonna be a fun one as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be slaving away in this gorgeous kitchen of mine, which I'm very, very grateful for. So yeah, check out the dinners. All right. Weeknight dinner number 1 is chicken adobo. My husband is Filipino and we love it when his mom makes us this delicious dish. So I learned to make it and it is one of our family favorites. We probably have it once every 2 weeks or so. It is a staple in our household and it's so comforting and it brings back memories of being at Lola's house. It is a chicken dish with vinegar and soy sauce and peppers and bay leaves and onions, and you can add carrots and potatoes if you like, and you simmer it and it's delicious. We eat it over rice and every single one of my kids love it, even though they do pick out the little peppercorns, but you know what? Those give it flavor. And on Tuesdays, we have tacos. Are you guys sick of my Taco Tuesdays yet? I'm not. We love it, and it's something so exciting to look forward to every single week. Whatever veggies I have on hand is what we throw on top. Today we have tomatoes and lettuce and cheese and queso fresco and some hot sauce and some sour cream, and I think I got some avocados somewhere in there as well. Do it with carne asada, with chicken, with carnitas, with ground beef, whatever. Today we are doing a yummy, delicious, pre-marinated tri-tip from the grocery store, and I've got some black beans on the side. I added a little bit of salt to it to give it some flavor, and I made some jasmine rice fresh, and I'm going to add some cilantro, some lime juice, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of olive oil. Mix it together and it makes a delicious cilantro lime rice, probably better than the chipotle one. You guys have to try it. It's delicious. I got this tri-tip from Albertsons, but Costco ones are my absolute favorite. I usually pick up 2 or 3 at a time and stash them in the freezer. Now, my daughter Avea is my designated tortilla maker, flipper, whatever you want to call it. At taco nights is her night. It's her night to help me cook, and it's really something that my kids look forward to, assigning a night or a specific cuisine to each child. I feel like she's going to grow up remembering flipping tortillas with her mama every Taco Tuesday, and it's just something special that we do together. Now, on Wednesday this week, pregnant mama, was particularly tired and worn out. Luckily, I had picked up one of these from Costco. It's a Boboli personal pizza kit. It's only $9.99. It comes with 8 pizzas, like good size pizzas, and it also comes with 8 individual sauce packs, so each one of my kids can be their own little chef and make their own creation. I grabbed a packet of cheese and salami and pepperoni. I planned on using this Italian sausage for ZUPPA TOSCANA on Thursday night, but I said, you know what, let's just do it for pizza night so that we can add a little bit more protein onto their pizzas. And this was so fun for the kids, and mama was hands off this night. I actually had them clean up their mess. All I did was turn on the oven, put it in and put it out and cut it, and they were good to go. I made one and my husband made one, and they were so good. And so for a movie Friday night, we decided to make some spinach and ricotta ravioli layered crock pot lasagna. That's what I call it. I just kind of made it up. I just put a little sauce at the end, and then I put in the spinach ravioli and I layer it with some leftover Italian sausage from pizza night and Parmesan cheese, and I just keep layering it all the way until the whole container of ravioli is gone. Just put it on low for like 4 or 5 hours, and it is a yummy, gooey, vegetable-y, cheesy lasagna, and it's so good with some Caesar salad and crusty bread on the side. Yay, it's Saturday and all hands are on deck. Mama made a yummy fruit salad with some leftover fruit I'm trying to eat up from the week. And we are doing a Filipino-inspired breakfast. My husband is facilitating the girls making some Spam and some sausages. Mama is boiling some rice. We're going to crack open some eggs and we're going to have a true Filipino breakfast. Enjoy.
Oh my gosh,
Sizzle pork and that's what Spam means.
And this breakfast is not complete without some yummy garlic fried rice. I know a lot of times people put their old rice in the refrigerator and it's a little bit hard and they prefer to make fried rice with that, but we prefer fresh, soft fried rice. So I like to make it fresh, and what I do is I just put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the wok, make sure it's nice and hot, throw in some garlic, and then toss the fresh rice in it, adding a little bit of salt. It is so good. I am fully aware that this breakfast is not healthy at all, but you know what? It's a tradition and it's part of my husband's culture and we love it and it's so good. You guys like it?
Yeah. Mommy and Daddy did this.
And some fruit? Sunday we had family fun day and we went out for sushi, but Monday we had this amazing marinated salmon that I get from Costco with some broccoli and some leftover rice. It was so good. The whole family just ate it up. Now, Monday, it was really cold outside, so I went ahead and sauteed some sausages with some garlic and onions, and I'm going to make a yummy zuppa Toscana copycat recipe from the Olive Garden. It is absolutely delicious. I add some potatoes that I wanted to use up and some kale that I had on hand. We're not huge fans of kale because obviously it's kind of bitter, but cooked, it's delicious. And in this soup, it is absolutely perfect. I got some reduced sodium chicken broth. I'm gonna go ahead and add this entire container to it. And then I'm gonna toss in my potatoes until they are fully cooked. Instantly, the aromas from the broth, oh my gosh, it's so good. I love this soup every time we have it and it brings back so many memories. Once the potatoes are fully cooked, I go ahead and add in a generous handful of bacon bits. I get the bacon bits in the bag from Costco and I use them in a variety of different recipes. I put them on top of our twice baked potatoes. They're so delicious and it adds a lot of flavor to this dish. Now, at the very, very end, when you're almost ready to serve, I put in a generous amount of chopped kale. It tastes so good in this soup, and then I will go ahead and put my heavy cream in. Some people put a little, some people put a lot. I put maybe about half a cup, and I think it's a perfect amount to just add that touch of creaminess to this dish. Zuppa Toscana is one of those dishes that you really can't mess up, and it has tons of flavor, and you can serve it with a pasta and some salad and some bread. Another super exciting taco night, but tonight we are having a nacho bar, a make your own nacho bar. I got some Mexican nacho cheese in the crock pot. I know it's not healthy, but it is the perfect yummy, gooeyest consistency and flavor. Got a whole bunch of sides, pineapple peach, salsa, which is my favorite, some tapatio, some spicy salsas. Of course, you got to have chips, some lettuce, some tomato, sour cream, and I have some avocado in there somewhere. I just laid everything out, put the cheese in the crock pot, and I'm letting the kids have fun and make their own nachos.
Then some salsa on the side.
The salsa is sweet.
Sweet salsa. I love sweet salsa. And some little tomatoes. I like to call them tomatoes.
What's this?
Yeah. Yes, look how delicious this is. Pro tip, Juanita's tortilla chips are absolutely amazing, and do not forget the jalapenos. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some amazing ideas. Do not forget to subscribe if you love these meal type planning, cooking videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.